Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing today? You guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you guys all the time, get connected with me on Instagram. Get connected with me on Facebook. It's for a reason. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I tell you guys, get subscribed. When I put out content like this video here, you want to make sure that you receive it. Alright? I may not put out content on Facebook. I may put it only on YouTube. I may switch it up from one week to the other. So you want to make sure whatever platform I'm on, you're connected so you can receive the content like this. Okay? I put out invaluable content so you guys can learn how to trade Forex. Change your thinking. Okay? Change your perspective on things. Now, if you are connected with me on Facebook and Instagram, you guys would already know that I put out a video just the other day on a topic that I think I wish I would have made the video a little longer. It was just 1 minute. So I thought, why don't I make that same video so people on YouTube can have it and make it a little longer, a little bit more in depth about the topic. Now the topic is surrounding, it's basically my tip to help you guys with, I'll say, being profitable in the Forex market. But it's not just that. It's a common flaw that I even had early on that I see other traders, they have the same flaw, they have the same problem. So I want to tell you guys something that maybe it'll help you out. If it does, that's great. If it doesn't, then you know, it's no sweat up your back. It only costs you a couple minutes to watch the video, listen to the video. Now, this issue that traders like myself I had was running so many trades on one account. Big problem. Big no-no. Okay? Now, the logic behind this, the reason why I say it's a big problem is, you know, here you are, you have one account, and you're trying to trade on the Euro USD, you're trying to trade on oil, you're trying to trade on gold. Well, let's say you're trading on the Euro USD, you're trading on oil, you're trading on gold, you're trading on the GBP JPY, and you're trading on my pair. You guys know the GBP NZD. And now you're running one account, and you have to manage all of these trades, whether it's going up or down, and you have to manage this each and every day. You're watching some of your trades in the money, some out the money. You know, you have some trades running in the money, you have some that's very volatile and they pulling your strength. That's a problem. Open up one pair for one account. That's all you do. I struggled with this early on and I realized, you know what, I'm not doing that anymore. One pair per account. It makes it easier to manage. If you know that the GBP JPY is going down, then guess what? All you have to do is go, oh, I see it's still going down. Okay? Go to the next one. Euro USD. Oh, this one is doing this. And if at least if it's going against you or if it's pulling back against you, at least you know that's the only pair that can actually draw down your strength. You don't want to be in a good situation and you have a couple of trades that are bad, and then it starts to pull the strength. You don't want to have that. So what you want to do is you want to keep your strength up. And the best way to do it is one pair, one account. Very simple. Okay? Now I've had this problem myself and I struggle with it. And then once I made that change, things changed for me. Alright? Just try it. No pressure. You don't have to try it if you don't want to. If you try it for a day, try it for a week. But this is what I teach my students. And, you know, I see this problem all across the internet. People, they're trading 5, 6 pairs, one account, a couple trades in the money, a couple out the money. And then it's like they're making headway on a few, but then they have these other two, and it's dragging them along. And they have to carry these along the way. And it's like, you know, what happens when heavy news come out? And you're trading all these pairs and they're all affected by the news and they all go against you. Now you're Now your whole account is in jeopardy because you're running too many pairs on one account. Separate them. Divide them up. Trust me when I tell you, when you learn to trade and you learn to do this, when you follow this certain discipline, it's going to help you immensely. This is what I teach my students. Now, I know that many of you are not students of mine as of yet, but you know what? When you learn to follow a discipline, you do it repeatedly, you can expect the same result, okay? So I just wanted to share this with you guys, and hopefully you guys can take this and use it, apply it to your trading. If it doesn't work, that's fine. At least you tried it, So listen, as always, I'm Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. You guys have a fantastic day. And remember, if you're not yet connected to me on Facebook, on Instagram, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, along with the other almost 24,000 people from all across the world, get subscribed. All right? You guys have a fantastic day. Peace.